The cleaned cocoa beans pass through an industrial air separation system with powerful fans. Lighter materials like shells and dust are blown away.
Cooled roasted beans feed into a mechanical winnowing machine. Powerful rollers crack the beans open, separating the outer shell from the inner cocoa nibs. Into this, a portion of the cocoa liquor is diverted to massive hydraulic cocoa presses. Extreme pressure is applied to the chocolate mass, essence. Pure cocoa butter flows through heated pipes into large temperature-controlled storage tanks, lunod.
Whole milk powder is added to the mixture through separate feed systems. The creamy powder flows into the chocolate base.
Transcription. Additional cocoa butter from the storage tanks is pumped into the mixing vessel to achieve the perfect texture and smoothness.
Small amounts of vanilla extract and lecithin are added to the mixture. These ingredients enhance flavor and improve texture.
The chocolate mixture is transferred into the first stage of the refining process, a 5-roll refiner.
Inside the conching machine, specialized mixing blades push the chocolate back and forth in a wave-like motion.
Let's check the viscosity of this batch.
The particle size looks consistent under the microscope.
The
chocolate enters sophisticated tempering machines. Tempering precisely controls the crystallization.
The conveyor carries filled molds into a long cooling tunnel. The tunnel environment is precisely controlled at 10 to 12 degrees Celsius.
Approved chocolate bars continue to a high-precision weighing station. Each bar passes over digital scales that verify weight within.
The first stage of wrapping involves a foil lining. Large rolls of purple and silver aluminum foil unwind from spools. The wrapping machine uses heat-sealing elements to secure the paper wrapper at the seams. The bars rotate as they're wrapped.
Bars move through a barcode printing and verification station.
A print plies applies production code and batch number.
The conveyor brings wrapped bars to a counting and grouping station. Photo sensors count bars as they pass. Filled display boxes travel to a box closing station. Automated flaps fold down the top of each box, and hot melt glue is applied to seal them.
Sealed display boxes move through another barcode scanning station. Each box receives a printed case code.
An automated palletizing robot with extending arms picks up each layer of 12 boxes and places them onto a wooden pallet positioned at the palletizing station.
Titus besitzt bread keeper gunny. Articumchus spegium to Kaltiniki at the bird cricket. Indrip Trent Kalaki Bochet to Prince Cyril.
Everything's confirmed on my end. Great. All set for the usual route?
Let's check the bars per minute and quality control metrics.
Follow the guidelines. This machine requires careful handling.
Flukes. Raw materials are stored in temperature-controlled silos. Automated systems deliver measured amounts to mixing.
Section 84. The tempering machine's interior mechanics are visible during maintenance. Complex heating and cooling.
Power levels are fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the refrigeration units now.
Okay, team, let's review. These products are up, and efficiency KPIs show a
So this is where the magic happens. From cocoa beans to the delicious chocolate bars you love. Every step is carefully managed right here.
From cocoa farms to your hands, this is the journey of millions of dairy milk bars made fresh every day.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.